I have a lot of patients that complain about shoulder pain right here. And so I'd like to show you how to rehab this at home. I'm Dr. Christy Flick. I'm with HealthWorks and Family Wellness Center in Plano, Texas, and we are a precision chiropractic office. So of course there are adjustments that go along with this in the office, but this is the home care part of things. So the reason that you would get shoulder pain right here is because this muscle, your pec, that's this big strong muscle along your chest, is too tight. The reason that this muscle gets too tight is when your posture begins to become rounded forward in the shoulder and head forward. So when you first came into the office, we did a posture check, and if this was going on with you, you probably noticed it, we probably talked about it. And there are already some things at home that you're doing to help correct that overall picture. So let's talk specifically about what you can do to help this area to feel better faster while you're working on getting your posture where it should be. So the first thing that you can do is use a massage ball at home. So this is a lacrosse ball. Any sort of hard rubber ball that fits into the palm of your hand will work. So Amazon has specific massage balls that look a lot like this. A hand ball, something like that will work. What you'll want to do is you want to take that ball and you'll want to stretch out two areas on your shoulder. The first one is your pec muscle itself. And so what you'll do is you'll take that ball, you'll put it in this meaty spot right here. So not in the joint, not on the shoulder itself, but over here into the top of your chest. Then you'll find yourself a doorway and you're going to lean into the ball. So you want to put a good amount of pressure. I usually angle my body back a little bit, put pressure into that, roll it around a little bit to find the most sore spot. Once you're there, then you're going to start moving your arm back and forth like this. Where people will make a mistake is instead of moving the arm, they'll just continue to roll, which is fine, that's a nice massage. But the point of the ball is to trap the muscle, pin it down, and then force it to move, which is a much deeper and more effective stretch for the area. The second place that you'll want to work is this little meaty triangle right here. So again, not the shoulder blade, not your armpit, but almost. And what you'll do with that one is you'll place the ball again. You'll lean against the wall, roll again until you find just the right spot, and then start moving your arm back and forth. You'll probably find more areas on this one. So then roll again, arm back and forth, and keep exploring until you find all of the areas that are sore. With each spot, you'll want to spend about 30 to 90 seconds. Some little areas will take a lot less, maybe 10 or 15 seconds, but definitely don't go over 90 seconds. You won't do any lasting harm to yourself, but you'll be very sore. So if we can avoid that, it's better. The second thing that you'll want to do is the doorway stretch. So you probably already are doing this one, but let me show you some advanced versions. So you'll find yourself a doorway, and you will put one arm on either side. From there, you squeeze your shoulder blades together. That's an important part. You make sure that your head is above your shoulders, so no head forward. We definitely don't want to enhance that. Head above your shoulders, shoulder blades squeeze together, and then lean forward. And you want to hold that for 30 seconds. So no bouncing. Lean in as far as you can, hold for 30 seconds. And then here's the advanced part. Bring your arms up a little bit and go again. And you can go up again. When you're doing this, you're finding different fibers in that same muscle. And then also, you can go down. So down a little bit, lean forward. If you're an extremely flexible person, you might consider doing this one shoulder at a time. So to do that, I'm going to show you from behind me. You're going to find your shoulder joint and you're going to place it against the door frame. Now you're going to start to turn your body away. Place your arm along the wall and stretch. And up and stretch. And up and stretch. And again, I'm going very quickly on that, but you'll want to spend about 30 seconds on each spot. Definitely no quick stretches. We're looking to really elongate that muscle. What you'll also want to do is to place heat over the area on your chest and around the side to the side that hurts. And consider placing arnica lotion on it as well. Arnica is a powerful little flower that will help to decrease the inflammation. So once you start doing all of those home activities, it won't be very long until you start to feel less pain in that spot and be able to once again enjoy laying on your back at night.